One, if you want to put the park brake on, like if you was on a hill or whatever,
Okay.
smash this down and push this down.
Okay, let's see.
It's a park brake, so pushing this little clutch and mash that down to put the park brake on. And that pedal will stay down.
Okay.
Now, when you're ready to run, you mash this down, of course, flip that up.
Okay.
And put this in neutral. Then you can fire it up. Just turn it over. Let out for that. Okay. It won't move up. You can mash this gas, I guess you can say. It won't do anything.
Now you're neutral.
As soon as you see this put it in reverse, forward.
Okay.
And then when you want to put grab, here, set your adjustment on the height. I like to set mine on about 2, what I would put mine.
Yeah.
That height. And then you engage.
Now you talking about the reverse?
This here,
I'll cut it up real quick.
this right here normally, put the pedal back up. You can put it in this yellow here. Just click it one time, mash the button. You can put it in reverse. Forward. It's not that you got it turned in the forward position. I had it in reverse, that's why I did that.
Okay.
What I got?
Okay.
Engage. And it won't crank up at fast engage. Put it in that right there.
Yeah.
You can hit that button right there. And you can run with that undercarriage going
Yeah.
forward.
Okay.
So if you're in here and forward and you have this engaged with your feet and you try to go in reverse, it's going to shut off.
Okay. Okay.
If it does that, it's because you got the lower deck engaged. So you can't go in reverse unless you hit that right there and then mash that button.
Okay, gotcha.
And if you got any questions, you can always call me back.
Okay, that sounds good.
But, anywho.
Hit that thing. This way. Now this way. This way. This way. Out to the road. This is practice. This practice wiring. Later on, you can cut the grass. You like it? See there? You got it. See there? You get it? That easy? Way. Now this way. This way. This way. Out to the road. This is practice. This practice wiring. Later on, you can cut the grass. You like it? See there? You got it. See there? You get it? That easy?